Hey guys, welcome to my channel. And guys, this is not going to be a gaming video, but don't worry guys, I will make some gaming videos, but in this video guys I will show you how you can locate any like anyone's location and you can attack them. So this is just for education only, but guys, I think you guys want to know that why I'm making this video on this channel. Guys, I'm making this video because I have got a lots of requests to make like how to trace the location of someone. So guys, enjoy this video, and yeah, I'm starting. So guys, for this I'm using the Kali Linux, and I will not edit this video. I'm using the Kali Linux in the VMware. Okay, now you have to search in Google Trape Github. As you can see, Trape Github. Now you go to the first link and click on the link. After that guys, you will see this option. As you can see here, yeah, it is loading. It will show you exactly the location, the operating system they are using. You can also like trace their Facebook ID or anything they have logged into their browser, as you can see. So now you just come here, as you can see this one, come here and click on copy, this option. After that, minimize this and close your terminal. Yeah, now we have to copy this, we have to download that file. Now click on CD, desktop. As you can see, now type git clone and paste the URL you have copied. Okay, now after that press enter. Now as you can see guys, I have already downloaded it, so it's here. Now to open that file, you will just need to click on CD trape, CD trap. Now click on ls. As you can see, so before running this application, you will have to download some requirements. Okay, so now click on, yeah, now type this command, yeah, now type this command. So guys, as you can see, after typing this command, hit enter and it will install all the requirements that are needed for this application to run. So guys, as you can see, I have already downloaded it, so it's showing like this. Now after that, just press clear. Yeah, now again press ls. Yeah, now click on Python and copy this one. Paste it here. Now type attack h, click on enter. Now it will load the software. As you can see, you can do only 2 attacks, URL port forwarding and this one. So let's try this one. So do as I do, I mean press the codes which I write in my notepad. Okay, let me zoom in a bit so that you guys also can see. Yeah, so type with me. U for URL, so you can paste any URL here. This URL, when the victim clicks the URL, he will redirect to this site. So let me enter. So as you can see guys, the software has been started. So now as you can see, this is your access key, this is the control panel with which you can control the victim, and you have to just send this link to your victim. So guys, I am testing it on myself, so this video is just for educational purpose. Please don't misuse this tool. So paste it and let's go. Now while this opens, let me first open my control panel, copy this one and open the link in your browser, paste and go. And guys, as you can see, it will ask for login. So this is your login key, the access key. Copy this and paste it here. Yeah, now click on sign in. Okay, so wait a bit. As you can see guys, yeah, this is the link you have to send to your victim. So as you can see, it is showing that one users are online, and see my location India, my public IP address. See, I am using Firefox, it will show you exactly, and I am using Kali Linux, it is also showing that. Now if you want to see the location, the main thing, click on these details and this will load on your browser. Okay, don't worry about that. And as you can see guys, this is my public IP, local IP, and it will show you everything. If you have Facebook, as you can see, I have Facebook also login. Okay, so you can, yeah, as you can also see my Facebook will open here. You will get their Facebook ID, their Gmail ID, everything. And if you want to perform a attack, as you can see in below, as you can see my it will show you everything, what I'm using, where I am from. You can search me on the Google also. See, this is my latitude, longitude, from where I am. Now if you want to do some attacks, you can do this. See my broadband speed, it will show you my broadband speed also. And if you want to do some attacks, you can see here. See, okay, so wait a bit, let me show you the attacks. So this is my browser, let me copy the link and show you. Wait a minute, where is the link? Yeah, if you log in, to this, like this website, you will get his password and ID also. But let me first copy this one. Yeah, I have copied this. Now let me open it on my Windows machine. Okay, so this is my Windows machine, paste and go. Yeah, so, and in the terminal it will show you everything. Let me open the terminal also. Where is it? The terminal. Yeah, so as you can see guys, it is showing everything when the victim has when the victim has started. And as you can see, the victim has been connected to us with the following, the Facebook session. See, as you can see, you can detect his Facebook also. Sorry for the background noise. The Facebook word is detected. Whatever he will do, you will see everything. See, you can download his file also. Now yeah, where is my, now as I told you, my Windows machine. So this is my Windows machine, and let me copy this link, not this. Okay, so I cannot copy here because I have not installed the VMware tool. So guys, this is it guys. As you can see his location, you can track him also. For some reasons I am not showing this. Okay, but you can see him, you can see everything, every social media he is logged into, and you can perform a attack also. So let me show you something. Okay, wait a bit, speed. So yeah, that's it. You can do everything, like every attack. So I will make more videos if you guys want. So that's it for this video guys. Everyone wanted to like detect that location or something. Everyone wanted to know in my previous video. So guys, it takes lots of effort to make this kind of video, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And please guys, don't forget to leave a like if you're new to this channel. So see you in the next video guys. Take care. Bye bye.
No control.